Hi!
Hi.
We're the Weenie Corns.
Weenie Corns.
We're gonna lip sync Hot Problems by Double Take.
Look at me and tell me the truth. What do you do when people don't know what we go through? They see my blonde hair, blue eyes in class, but they don't know I have a really big piece. Don't get me wrong, I know that I'm hot, but textbook perfection really takes a lot. Weird guys call my phone, and girls call me names, but like Miley said, I can't be tamed. Hot girls, we have problems too. We're just like you, except we're hot. The world needs to open their eyes and realize we're not perfect. Sometimes we lie. I got the look, I got the butt, but those things don't make me a slut. Boys call me stuck up, girls say I'm conceited. On behalf of all hot girls, those comments aren't needed. Just cause I'm pretty, I have to be dumb. I don't care about wits, I just wanna have fun. People start rumors and say things about me. Funny thing is, I didn't go to that party. Hot girls, we have problems too. We're just like you, except we're hot. The world needs to open their eyes and realize we're not perfect. Sometimes we hot girls, we have problems too. We're just